see what they have, guys. Okay, so as I see here, we have some gel clings. Aren't they pretty? We have that kind. We have the crabs and the sea animals. We have the cones and the ice cream. Look how beautiful those are. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my God, I never saw them in ethnic type of, in colors. They're so beautiful. See them? Okay, and then we have that kind. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this one fell. So then you have these books. And they're blank pages, guys. So these are $1. They have the pencils right here, and these are really cute. These are mermaid pencils. Then you have some Band-Aids over here. Batman, JoJo, Nerf. Yeah. Okay, and then what are these? This is Backyard Bingo. This is so cute. I remember my grandmother playing with these. Erasers, some stuffed animals over here. Yeah, they really don't have anything here. Oh, guys, these are so cute, aren't they? They remind me of the redfish. And then here's a seahorse. And then here's like a snake. These are squishies, guys. They're so cute. So, voted. Oh, these are cards, and they're $1. And this says voted best father, original main man, king for a day. And then they have this wall plaque right here with these hooks that says voted best father, original main man. That's cute. That is so cute. And then you have some mitts. Aren't they adorable? So they're $3 for 2. And they're such good quality, guys. And then here's some barbecue utensils. Those are $3 too. They have the gloves in the blue. Oh, and look at this. I like this, like a travel bag. So this travel bag is $3. And then they have it in this color. Then they have, I think, some socks. Okay, so this is like the little kid and the dad socks. These are so cute, guys. This one, what does that say? Couch potato, and then this one, no, couch potato, and then tater. That is so cute. And then here's some books, some cooking books. So these are $5, guys. So I never saw those, so that must be new. And then what is this? This is a power bank. Okay, and then you have like these like games that you can play. This is like a bowling set you can play on your desk when you're not working. Okay. And there they go down there, guys. So those are $5. And here are your corner shells, floating shells, $5 in the white. Then they have this best kid, best guy, baseball caps, and then couch potato, and that's it. So guys, okay, so they have, what is this? This is like a little tiny wallet you stick to the back of your cell phone. This one says hey. This one is in, you have that kind, and you have this kind, and the pink. So this is a basil herb diffuser, and then these are candles, guys. So these, perfect wave, what does that one say? Palm tree. Those are really cute looking, guys. And then they have some more of these pads, doodle pads. Well, they have lines in them. This one says my summer love story. Aww. And then poolside doodles. And then I love these mugs, guys. These mugs have this wooden spoon and this wooden top. I think that's such a beautiful gift. For $5, that's a nice gift. Land Before Time, and I'm sure that's $5. And then you have, like, what are these, insulated? Some like cooler bags. So these cooler bags are $5. And then you have some table chimes, one set, $5. And some more of those oil diffusers and basil, coconut, and what is that? Sweet samosa. And what is this one? Aqua Blossom. Guys, here's the wedding section. So they have these paper plates for $1, and you know I'm loving this marble print right here. And then they have, I think, this peach back here. I don't know if I could reach it. She said yes. Then you have this. This is the balloons, and that says best day ever with the gold curly ribbon. Then here are the little bags, guys. So that you get a pack of them for $3. And then this one says she said yes. This is Mr. and Mrs. and groom. Not sure how much those are, guys. So here's the cards, Mr. and Mrs. and Best Day Ever. Those are $1 each. Then these banners are $3 each, if I'm reading that correctly. This one says congrats, and this one says Best Day Ever. And then you have your photo booth. Okay, and these, is this another banner? This is blank personal signs, and there's your guest book and your gift book. That's along the bottom. Your champagne glasses, and I'm loving those trays down there for $3. And then you have these. So over here says Barbecue USA. Then this is $3. Then this one over here is $1, and then these string lights, they're so cute. Those are $3. Then you have this wooden cutlery set. Isn't that adorable? That's $3. Then you have the 2-pack of the towels, and you know the quality of these towels are so nice. And then here's some of your summer candles, guys. Okay, and then also down here you have some napkins, I think. Yeah, you have some napkins, Star Stripes and Warm Summer Nights. And then you have one more of these little plants. Boxwood, I think that's boxwood. So then here you have Decade Secret Message. These are wall decor piece, a wall hanging that that you can color. And then look at these. Aren't these adorable? These have been here for a while. I've been looking for the white ones. They're $3. Then you have the matching tumblers in red and blue. And then they have this tin can over here. Guys, look how beautiful that is. Doesn't that look like mirrored glass? And that's $5. A large tin too. I'm debating whether I should get that. So then you have some of your socks over here, your loose socks. These are red, white, and blue. Everything is 4th of July themed. And this is $1. Then you have this infinity scarf over there for $3. And then you have some beads. Let's see what's so special about these. Oh, they have the star, the blinking star. Aren't these adorable? But these are $7, guys, but I think they're so cute. They're mini walkie-talkies, and here's the canteens. I was cracking up about that before. And then here you have your felt toys. Like, I'm really loving those toys. The felt, and let's see, and then you have your little bags. The adventure, this one has the bear. Those are so cute, guys. I think this one is like a backpack. Yep. Earth Day, every day. Then this one here is the felt. This is the the campfire one. And then this one over here, I love this one. It's my favorite one. This one over here is the avocado toast and peanut butter and jelly. Then you have your bird houses. So this one is Butterflies Welcome, Lady House, Ladybug House, Beetle House. And then you have some more of that bingo stuff there. Oh, this is a humongous orb. Okay, the squishy orb. I think it's so cool. Here it is in the lavender iridescent, and here's my favorite, the goldfish squishy. Okay, then you have some more of these books with the handles. You have this little lunchbox here. And what are these? Play dress up. Then you have some more clings, and you have some memorizing, play dress up. These are really cute, so I'm loving these. These little drink cups. Aren't they adorable, guys? I like that. I love the quality of their stuff. So these things are $1. The bingo felt game and the checkers, the tic-tac-toe, these felt games right here, I think are so awesome. They're $3. Then you have some more tic-tac-toe over here. Okay, so it's a lot of games, a lot of felt games. The books, Let's Make S'mores, and then you have the little tiny books here. This one says, Hello from Campground Postcards, travel journal, 10 postcard designs. Isn't that cute? The kids can write out their own postcards. Then these are character guessing games. The pirate sinking. And what is this? This is Tricky Travel. And Guess Go. And then you have games on the go. The Busy Book. Yeah, I'm all for that. Okay, so this is Forest Friends, a finger puppet learning. Then you have that lap desk. And then here, I think this is so cool. This is like a felt, one set, a felt map of the United States. How much is that? I don't know. I think that's $5. Then you have some more of these totes, Wild About Summer. I love these. These are $3. These are this humongous wet dry bag. You know, that's a great idea. The kids will take off all their beach stuff and wet stuff and can put it inside of that bag. That's $3. Then you have this swim mask and some more of those totes down there. Some more of this is alphabet, the alphabet chart and felt. I'm telling you, those things are really nice. Here's the behavior chart. Isn't that awesome? Okay, then you have your cutlery. So your cutlery comes in the turquoise and the metallic silver, and those are $1. And that's the service of 4. Then you have these cups. I always call these ice cream cups. I don't know why, but I think these are $1. Yep, those are $1. And they come in all those designs right there. Then you have the balloons against the wall here, and then you have the cutlery and the balloons, and here's the balloons themselves right here. And then this is the cutlery clear, and these are the cards. It's the pineapple. Here's the toucan that says hooray. And then this one says pineapple party. That's adorable. And those are, I think those are $1. Yep, those are $1. Then we have these paper gift bags, guys. And these gift bags here are all $1. And look at the toucan one, and here's the flamingo. And I'm loving these bags. These are so cute, guys. See that? Then you have those ice cream ones, those ice cream cones, ceramic little things. Now they have the bigger ones. These are the ones I was buying before. And now I'm really liking that one. Then they have that cake dish over there and that drink container there. And these are paper plates, guys. Best day ever. The pineapple. Tutti Frutti. Okay, and you have all of the napkins here for $1 to match. And these are your hooks right here, and these are your pens. And here is an ice cream cup. Isn't that adorable? I like these. So then they have these. I think I might have shown you this before, this garland and the star. And all over here, you have your audio section. And you have these signs over here that say happy, hello, and those are $3 each. And here is a banner. This is a banner. Yep, pineapple banner, $3. Then you have some more balloons and a scarf and some more cooler bags, some sunglasses right here. And I'm absolutely loving these bags, guys. These bags are so beautiful, aren't they? So those are $3 each. That's not bad. Then you have some hats down there. Those are $7. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Bulleye Playground. See you guys in another video.